History behind lacrosse goes very deep. It's an ancient game for the people like me as a Haudenosaunee person, as a person of the Six Nations. It's a cultural game for us. Really, it goes back to the start of our creation. It's in the creation story. It was a diplomatic way for us to handle things without fighting each other. That's what it was originally for.
So the students, alongside their educators, did some pre-learning about the game of lacrosse and how it's related to Indigenous peoples. So this is like a thread of learning throughout our community. This is not a one and done for us. This is integral to who we are as a school.
Education is at the heart of carving out a sustainable path. The only way forward is together, and the way to ensure that we do this work in a good way is to really value and honor the voices of Indigenous communities, their lived experiences and their stories.
Having Haudenosaunee people, Indigenous people here show up and actually teach them as well is very important, because you also get it. What I like to say is, from the horse's mouth, the best water comes from the spring. So why wouldn't the best stories come from the place it came from?
Our treaty relationships and our treaty agreements ask us to be good stewards of the land and to share that land. And the more we connect students with the land, the more we give them an opportunity to see their responsibility in land stewardship and to see their connection. And when we give them the opportunity to learn from Indigenous cultures, we're giving them an opportunity to connect themselves to what they're learning so that they can find commonalities and build that intercultural understanding, empathy, and respect.
I had fun. I think it was a pretty good experience for people who hasn't played lacrosse.
My favorite part about the day was doing the twirls and tricks and shooting, basically everything.
Today we learned about how the sticks take over a year to make.
We learned about the history of lacrosse and how it was passed down on generations. It was just super cool to learn.
I had lots of fun. I've never really played lacrosse before, but this has probably convinced me to try it out next summer.
This was a very exciting experience, something I would remember for a lifetime.
The game is a fun game. It's a lovely game. It's a lot like life. It's not if you pick it up, if it grabs you, is what we say in the culture. If any of the things in the culture grab you, the speaking, the dancing, lacrosse, any of it, then do it, enjoy it, love it. That's what it's for. I get that medicine feeling from teaching it, from letting people enjoy the game that I love. And that's where I found true love behind the game, I guess, and that's why I still do it.